knock my head off then.
What's going on, man? Is it working?
Man, for you it will be.
Okay, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, for you it's definitely gonna be working.
Man, I appreciate it. It's about time to wrap this thing on up, ain't it, man?
Yeah, it's about time.
And what series was he in sounds with him?
The platinum.
I run it through a Onyx.
Oh yeah.
I'm just gonna bleed the streets. Ski mask on my face, sometimes you gotta cheat to stay ahead in this bitch. Drink serve like it's liquor. Street train, I have you catching up the God
I missed the.
I couldn't catch you last time before you changed it out.
Yeah.
That thing seems like you got a whole lot of power with her. I don't know what you
I got
running.
6, 7K, so I got 7K per 18. But it still ain't enough power.
You done wired a half on them, you did.
That's they're all at half on.
You gonna step it on up, ain't you?
Yeah.
10K.
I'm hoping, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the game plan, so I'm doing what I can for right now.
Yeah.
But I'm buying a lot of rides too.
And that'll get you every time on it.
It will, but that's an efficient box. So I mean,
Yeah.
it's built for power, and I knew it was gonna be built for power. I just gotta add the power. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
Man,
But it's coming.
Man, it look
That one
good in
ain't
here.
going nowhere.
It look good in here, man. Man, let them know where they can find you at, man.
DK Cowabunga on TikTok, Playward on Facebook. Check me out.
And Brazilian Town 18 Platinum?
Yeah, Platinum 18s on 6 Surge 7Ks. I got a 320 CS all, 370 CS all, 135 C-Max, and it's all tuned. Yeah.
Man, I sure appreciate it, bro. Man, it was good seeing you, man. We don't want to see each other. We'll see each other again.
Out here. That's what's up.
Yes, sir.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still wrong.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Man, I sure appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.